Thinking about putting up your dropshipping store, here are the important statistics you need to know. First, according to Grandview Research Incorporated, buyer-to-consumer e-commerce market will be worth 6.7 trillion US dollars by the year 2027. They also mentioned that there is a growth in the market of 7.9% every year. But these numbers are useless if you are not aware of what it implies. First, you need to know what buyer to consumer e-commerce is, or they call it B2C. B2C e-commerce is a specific type of online trade. It means that a private individual buys something from an online store in general for personal use. In other words, if you have purchased something via the internet for your personal use, either from big companies, manufacturers, or suppliers, then that is considered as B2C. So if you become a dropshipper, then you will be part of this booming and thriving market, meaning you become a market player where you can contribute to its growth and be part of this incredible cash flow. The second thing you need to consider is there enough number of online shoppers or customers? There is nothing to worry about. According to Statista, there will be over 2.4 billion online store buyers as of 2021. As we all know, when the market is on the rise, then there will be, if not enough, then a higher number of players. There will be billions of people worldwide making purchases on e-commerce platforms in the nearest future. Thus, supply and demand will stay balanced across various markets. Here are some supporting facts that support this claim according to Grandview Research. First thing you need to consider is that there is more intense use of social media. Second one is there is a growth of middle class population. Third, an increase of internet penetration and smartphones use. And lastly, a rising level of disposable income, or the money that's left in a family after all the taxes are paid out. So with this information, you will be assured that you will not see a lack of customers. The third thing you should know is the 15 seconds rule. This 15 seconds rule states that if a person doesn't get interested with your online store within 15 seconds, then you lose this customer. More importantly, your customers will leave your online store if it loads for more than 3 seconds. Now that you know these important informations, then I hope you consider them once you start building your online store. Number 4, you should know that customers trust in real-life reviews 12 times more than the official product descriptions. Normally, when I purchase online, I would look into the customer reviews to see if the quality of the product is doing well. Naturally, customers might have doubts because they cannot see, touch, or even try the products before the purchase. As a result, these potential buyers will rely on the reviews of the previous buyers. And as a dropshipper, you should find a way to collect real reviews from your previous customers and display it to your store. If you are a new store, then import some reviews from your supplier. Lastly, you should know that customers want free shipping. First of all, people like getting products or services for free. Put simply, they prefer free shipping than lower prices. For example, we have two sellers. One sells a product for $30 with delivery costing of $5. And the other store sells the same product for $35 with free shipping. Most customers prefer the latter option. Aside from people wanting free shipping, in their opinion, a higher price indicates better quality or value of the product. So combining these two, they would of course prefer buying from the second store. So if you decide to start a dropshipping business, Think about shipping products with free or low-cost delivery to beat your customers, or competitors, I should say. Now that I have shared these important informations, you're ready to dive into this business. Thank you for staying with me until the very end of this video. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and share this video, and we are happy to hear from you on the comment section. Visit our YouTube channel Conversion Chef for more videos about reviews of Shopify applications that can help you increase or boost your sales. You may also check the description below for the links of the applications and our mailing list. If you haven't subscribed yet, just hit that subscribe button as well as the bell to be notified with our new updates. I hope to see you on the next video. Bye!